Hey guys, I have an appointment at Hermès now. Come with me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique. If you're new to this channel, I upload videos weekly. I upload New York City vlogs, unboxing, style videos, and travel videos when I do travel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like this kind of content, I would really appreciate it if you like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. For today's video, as you can see behind me, I do have another Hermès unboxing video. Now I have another one here in this white bag. So this is also not from just one visit. This is accumulated from 2 visits. I'm going to first unbox these 2, which are from the homeware collection. So I went to the store because I wanted to try on their ready-to-wear, and then after I finished trying on the ready-to-wear, I asked my assay about the status of some of the tableware that I have ordered, like I think around 4 months ago. I just wanted to know, are they in progress? Are they coming soon? You know, just some sort of like a clue of what's happening with those tableware that I ordered. I know that everyone keeps saying that ordering tableware is such a long process and it can take up to like 18 months. Like in general, it'd be like 6 months. But at that time, I was just asking just, to see, if there's any update from the workshop. It was not really urgent, but it's been 4 months and I did pay in advance, so I just wanted to know the status. As it checked for me, and of course, it's in progress, but we still don't know when it's coming. So he said that, these items are available online. Why don't we just order these items online, because I want you to get them when they're available. So he insisted that I should just cancel the old order and then order these items online. And so I went along with the suggestion, and 2 days later the items arrived in my home and I have them. I'm going to open the bigger box first, and I love that when you order online they give you the ribbon with the 2024 theme, which is in the spirit of the Faubourg hats. Anyway, let's open it up to reveal the teacups from the Balcon collection. The name of the collection is really long, but I call it the Balcon collection because it is inspired by the balcony design. I love the pop of red on this collection, and most of my china is floral and really feminine. So with this, I really wanted to get something that is a little bit more neutral and a little bit more modern and not so curved and not so feminine. And we drink a lot of tea, so I really love teacups. I do collect them. I bought plates from the same collection, so I do want to have teacups from the same collection, because in the beginning actually what I ordered was from the H Deco collection, because I also like that H Deco, but with time, 4 months later, I find myself really liking this one, so I got this one instead. Look how cute that. I think that's adorable. So it comes in a set of 2. My essay said if you order online, you can actually get it like just one if you want to, because if you buy it in the store, you can only buy it in a set of 2 because they just don't have the box for only one. Next one is in this box, which is also a tableware. Also the same ribbon with the 2024 theme. And this is the care booklet, I think. So it's Balcon du Guadeloupe Cuivre. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but I'll write it down. My French is horrible, but yeah. So I got the creamer for the teacups that I purchased from the same collection. this is the creamer. I don't necessarily need a creamer from the same collection, but I do like milk in my tea, and I just wanted to have something that is matching, and I can use this when I'm having tea with my husband. I think that's adorable. I'm missing the sugar container now. They also have like a box container for sugar that is in the same design. So those are the tableware pieces that I got. I still want more plates because I only have 2 dinner plates at the moment, and I feel like I want to have 6 to make it a collection, because we have a table that sits 6 people here, and we do host dinner parties sometimes. So the next one is from this white bag I picked up. Actually, the one item is actually picked up at the same time when I picked up the tableware, when I ordered the tableware online with my essay. So I went into the store wanting to grab this actually. Honestly, if I have to say, I'm not a big fan of their ready-to-wear, especially the women's collection, because I think they can be a little bit more mature than how I like my clothes to be. Another thing is that when I buy ready-to-wear, I like to buy them on sale. When Net-a-Porter or Bergdorf's or Essence are having a sale, or there's so many sample sales in New York City, that's when I buy my ready-to-wear. So a lot of times, I would say 95% of the time, I buy my ready-to-wear on sale. So for me to buy something full price, I have to really love it, and I have to be really sure about it, because I don't really like buying things full price. Even when I was buying Chanel jackets, I bought them on sale. Like, I never would like get a Chanel jacket full price. So those are the reasons why it has taken me forever to purchase something from the ready-to-wear collection. Yeah, I don't really like the style of the women's collection. For me, they're a little bit on the blah side, and they're not really exciting. For me, number one is the cut. The cut is not the kind of cut that I liked on my body frame, and I think it's not really flattering on me. I think they're getting better at it nowadays, because you see some of the like the t-shirt dresses being in like a looser cut, as opposed to just like a very classic straight cut. And also the sweaters are a little bit more like on the oversized, which I like better, a little bit more boxy, as opposed to just like straight, and that doesn't look good on me. So anyway, long story short, what I discovered is that I do love men's collection. I wear men's stuff all the time. Like, I am wearing this black shirt from the robe, but it's from the men's collection. So I do like the men's collection more in terms of shirts, because I like their cut, because women's cut, again, it tends to be fitted, which I don't like. So I was looking around at the men's collection, and I saw this, and I thought to myself, oh, I don't have that in my wardrobe, so that's maybe something that I could add to my wardrobe. So here it is. Let's open it up. So I picked it up, I think almost 2 weeks after the day I purchased it, because this is important, because Hermès does free tailoring for you. So if you don't like the women's collection and you want to get a shirt from the men's collection or anything from the men's collection, they could tailor it to you. So my essay was saying they could basically alter everything except neck. So you have to make sure that the neck would fit you, like in terms of shirts and everything, because that's one thing that they can't alter. That really made me even more sure of getting the shirt, because they could alter it. I had the sleeves altered on the day when I was trying it on, and I decided that I wanted it. Called the tailor. They have in-house tailors ready to go, and so the tailor came into the dressing room and measured my sleeves, and voila, 2 weeks later it is done. So I got the Jump With Me boxy fit shirt from the men's collection. This is from spring summer 2024, so this is not the fall winter. They do have another denim shirt for the fall winter, and it is a darker color, and it doesn't have the embroidery, but for some reason it costs more than this one. I do kind of like that one because I feel like that's versatile, but at the same time I feel like this is cute because it has all this embroidery all throughout. Yeah, So this is the shirt that I got. Kind of like, it is a chambray shirt. I love that it fits me like a boyfriend fit. I like an oversized fit. I can wear tank tops underneath. I can wear it as like a layering piece in the summer, but also when it gets a little bit colder, I can, you know, layer it with like turtlenecks or something like that. So it's a very versatile piece. It's a shirt, but also like a layering piece, kind of like a jacket. So it's something that I can wear with a lot of pieces, and I love how cute that is. Look at the embroidery. It has like all things related to equestrian, like the anchor, the horseshoe, it's the helmet. It's really cute, and it is embroidered, as you can see from the inside, that those things are embroidered. So it's kind of like a chambray thickness. It's a bit like thin because it is from the spring summer, and I just love it. I think it is adorable. For reference, I got mine in the size 39, which is 15 and a half men's size. I think that's adorable. I love it. Okay, so I went in there to pick up my shirt because he said it was done, but at the same time I've been wanting to get an open toe sandals because I have a lot of like closed toe shoes. I don't really have an open toe sandals, and the only sandals, not shoes, right, like mules, so the only one I have is the Prada yellow sandals that I purchased recently, which are comfortable, but I don't think it's like 40 blocks comfortable. I need something that are low enough, have stacked heel, and comfortable for me walking around 40-50 blocks in the city without any problem. I used to have a pair of sandals from Hermès. I wore it so much. It's the Mona sandals, and I got it at the sample sale like years ago from the Hermès sample sale here. But the problem is that because it was on sample sale, I got it in size 36, and I am more like a 36 and a half, 37. So it's not the most comfortable thing in the world. I rehomed those pair of sandals, and I need a new pair of sandals. Here it is. They had the cute like Mary Jane's shoes, you know, the gold ones and the black ones available, but I was really focused. I have so many closed toe shoes. I really need sandals. And silver lining, they actually ran out of those styles in my size because it's very popular style. So they got this one. This is a very basic sandals from Hermès. Everybody would know this. So, but there were nothing else that were cuter and served the same purpose. So here goes. I tried on these sandals in few colors, but I decided that I think I wanted in this one, which is the Rouge Age. So I did get the Oasis sandals, which a million other people have the same sandals. Is it as basic as the orange sandals? I guess so. The problem with the orange sandals is that I think they're too flat, and I need a little bit of a heel, but comfortable heels. So here are the Oasis sandal in the color Rouge Age. I think it's really chic, and it goes with a lot of colors, and I like that also the heel are in the same color as, you know, the top part, because when I was trying on the black, I love the black and I wanted black, but at the same time the heel is not the same color. It was, you know, the color of cork, which I think it makes it a little bit mature looking and not really cute, because this Rouge Age are in the Epsom leather. For some reason this fits a little bit more narrow than the black, because the black is in a smooth leather, and it was really loose on this part, and I don't have narrow feet, so I don't know why it was really loose. So these guys are in the size 37. They're made in Italy. They're beautiful. They go with a lot of things, and I feel like not a lot of people buy the Rouge Age. When I was there, of course, there were people asking Orans in gold, but He also actually brought out the gold color, but my Mona sandals were in gold, and I feel like I want to get something else, you know, gold. And I've been wanting to get something in Rouge Age because I like this color. And it's good to familiarize myself with a color that I'm interested in to know if I do like that color or not in case I, you know, get a bag in that color. Okay, so my battery actually died and I'm using my phone, and I just want to close this video. I was showing you the Rouge Age Oasis sandals that I got, and I really love this. And they were comfortable when I was trying them on, so I'm going to try them tomorrow when I go to the Hamptons, and I will report back to you. I just want to close this video. I didn't get to do that on the camera because my battery died. So that's the end of my haul. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment in the comment section down below. Like this video if you like it. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.